Yeah, where the fuck did I put this pattern? I know, I drew the pattern like manually, but I don't remember if I saved like a PNG of it. Ah, ah, dang it. Maybe in the PSD file. Just like the lights, what you really wear. Your hearing has to stop it, sir. Did I ever tell you guys that I have a chainsaw? Did I ever show it? Well, I guess I wanted to keep it a secret until my debut, but I had a lot of fun drawing it. Ah, oh my god, rigging is gonna be hell. Rigging a fucking chainsaw is gonna be hell. I remember my first reaction to this chainsaw was, this was a fucking cracked artist. I don't know. Let me show you guys. It's okay, guys. I'll show you, but guys, keep it a secret, okay? Keep it. I didn't show you shit, okay? But this was the chainsaw that I made. Uh, wait, let me flip. Lucky, 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 lucky. Honestly, it was very. Honestly, I was surprised I managed to fucking draw something mechanical like this because I'm not one to really like draw, like, I guess, mecha, but I like drawing shapes. I do like drawing shapes, and this was very much fun to make. And this is all literally like separated. Everything is separated, so imagine how fucking crazy like rigging this is gonna be. And I don't want to imagine it like that's future Luru's problem now, not my problem. Oh yeah. Oh, and the little cross on my chest is right here. This is a cross. If you can barely see it, the one over here, the one I have over here, my chest. Oh, cute. Hello. Hi, thanks. But yeah, I hope you guys like my little chainsaw, my little toy. I can tell this is the future, Laurel. Dude, it's so funny. Every time I like pick a decision, I'm like, this is future Laurel's problem. I'm not gonna deal with this. And then future Laurel's fucking loses his shit and wants to beat up past Laurel. Yo, yo, Orc, what happened to hi? How are you? Mm-mm-mm. Oh my god, I haven't had an energy drink in so fucking long. And apparently I had some in the fridge over here. And I have one right now and I'm like, wow, crack. It's like crack to me. So, I don't know if I want to change something about this before I continue, I guess. Let me see. By the way, can you hear me properly? I tweaked my mic settings a little bit. And I'm not sure if the background music volume is right, so let me know. Also, I think I'm really gonna need to buy a new mic